The Bose S1 Pro is a rugged all-in-one portable speaker that delivers big sound and features typically found in larger Pro audio speakers. In this video, we'll help you unbox and set up your system. Let's begin by carefully opening the box. The first item you will see is an AC power cord. Underneath the styrofoam divider, you will find your owner's guide and warranty information. And lastly, you'll find your S1 Pro system. When connecting your system to power, begin by putting the switch in standby, which is identified by this symbol. Plug the power cord into the back of your S1 Pro, and the other end into an electrical outlet. Now let's go over connecting sound sources. Once the sound sources are connected, you will then be able to turn the system on by moving the switch to on, which is identified by this symbol. The quick charge setting is for rapid charging the S1 Pro lithium-ion battery, which provides up to 11 hours of audio playback. To connect a sound source, first turn all channel volume controls fully counterclockwise. Channel 1 and 2 are for use with dynamic microphones, guitars, keyboards, and other instruments. Using an XLR or quarter-inch cable, connect one end into the back of your S1 Pro and the other end into your microphone or instrument. Channels 1 and 2 are equipped with integrated tone match presets to automatically optimize the sound of your microphone or acoustic guitar. If connecting a different instrument, we recommend keeping this in the off position. While speaking into your microphone or playing your instrument, adjust the volume to the desired level. Adjust the treble, bass, and reverb controls to make further refinements based on your personal preference. Channel 3 is for use with Bluetooth-capable devices and line-level audio inputs. To pair a Bluetooth device, press and hold the Bluetooth button for 2 seconds until the LED indicator flashes white. In the Bluetooth settings on your mobile device, select Bose S1 Pro. Once paired successfully, the LED indicator will glow solid white. Begin playing audio on your mobile device and turn up the volume on the S1 Pro until the LED indicator is green or the desired volume is reached. If the volume indicator steadily glows red, decrease the volume. There are 4 primary ways to use the S1 Pro: elevated surface, speaker stand, tilt back, and monitor. You can also rotate the Bose logo counterclockwise to match your chosen mode. That's it, you're now set up and ready to enjoy using your Bose S1 Pro. For additional information, visit our website.